Welcome to our video on connecting Google Analytics to your iHouse Elite website. In this video, we'll cover how to create and connect your personal Google Analytics account. By default, your iHouse Elite website comes with simple traffic analytics out of the box, but if more robust analytics are desired, Google Analytics is easy to integrate and an industry staple. This video will just cover connecting Google Analytics rather than its use. For tips and tricks on using Google Analytics, we'll defer to Google and their knowledge base as a best practice and leave a link to this in the description below. And with that, let's get started. Start by visiting google.com/analytics and click Get Started. You'll then be prompted to log into your Google account or create one if you don't have one already. If this is your first time visiting Google Analytics, you may see a Welcome to Google Analytics screen. If so, press Start Measuring. Follow the 5 steps on screen, the first of which is creating a Google Analytics account. Under Account Details, enter an account name. This can be something simple like My Websites. Next, you'll select your account data sharing settings at your discretion. Once selected, press Next. Next is Create a Property. Under Property Details, enter a property name. This will be the title nested under your account name to identify this specific selection of website tracking. Adjust time zone or currency if needed, and then press Next. Next is Describe Your Business. Google uses this information to tailor additional features. Select an industry category and business size. You can then press Next. Next is selecting business objectives. This will help Google tailor recommendations further for your analytics. Noting, drive sales would be more for an e-commerce store rather than real estate, as the transaction is not happening on the website itself. Select your preferred objectives and then press Create at the bottom. The terms of service will then appear. And the last section is Start Collecting Data. From here, select Web, then you'll enter your website URL, as well as a stream name. This will be the title to identify the specific website as a data stream. So in all, we've named an account, a property, and a data stream. You can then press Create and Continue in the top right. Next, you'll see Set up a Google tag appear. The information you'll need for your iHouse Elite website can be found here, leading with the letter G. In a new tab or window, return to your iHouseweb admin menu and navigate to SEO. Click SEO to expand the menu and select Google Analytics. Check the box to enable Google Analytics. Place your information in the box, and then press Save Settings. Returning to your Google Analytics page, you can then press Test Installation. This should then display your Google tag was correctly detected on your website. After this, your stream details will then display. Keep in mind, per Google, this may take 48 hours to begin updating with data, even though it has been detected correctly. If you click to the side of the screen and select your data stream from here, you'll likely see a Data Collection is Pending message. From here, you can click Continue to Home. And that's it, you're all set. Once data collection begins, you'll start to see website activity appear. And with that, the admin settings icon can be pressed to view and adjust your account, property, and data stream if needed. And that concludes our video tutorial for connecting Google Analytics to your iHouse Elite website. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will get you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. Most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. Give our lead service team a call at 866-645-7700 or open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.